Are you ready?
Yes.
We're actually in a time crunch. I gave this guy a whole Beyonce song to get ready, but he's not having it. We're heading out. Here's the vlog update. So we started in a little town called Nyköping, and the next town over is called Norrköping, and that's where we are right now. We drove for like 45 minutes, decided we needed a toilet break.
Han ligger på en chayo.
On the road again.
Go bow for the risotto. Nothing to discuss. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt.
Hello vlog, we made it out the car. But we're moving up this steep hill in Strömstad, trying to catch the boat to go to Koster Island. So we'll see how that turns out.
We're on our way now to the lighthouses that the pirates came from in the 90s. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice.
Tja vloggen, nu kör vi en liten pizza här i Hammar. From breakfast. This is the last morning in our camp. There's the oatmeal I prepared, and the weather's not so nice today. It's kind of rainy. It's been raining all night. I feel puffy, cold. I look forward to breakfast. I made coffee and tea and oatmeal. It's gonna be nice. Couldn't find a pit stop, so now we're at a parking lot making lunch, but out of parking lots. This is a pretty nice one.
Hi guys, now we're in the midst of making a delicious meal of pasta. Trim my finger here, as you might be able to see.
It made little black.
Good progress with the food and pretty excited about the meal. And voila! How's the reaction?
10 out of 10. Hey vloggen.
It's crazy good weather out here in Smogen.
Smagen.
Smigel.
So pretty.
So.
Hey. Ho.
After about 30 seconds, he sat up straight and looked minutes. Connected to the cow business.
And you think, Brad? I knew it.
She added in a self group, not by you. They're laundering.
Hi vlog. It's getting dark. I don't know if you can hear me since we're listening to an audiobook, but basically we arrived in a new camping ground, and we're setting up the tent. The tent is set up, but we're making the beds, or Jonathan is making the beds. And we found this ingenious hack. Let me show you. This part here is the window, and behind the window is a net. So we put Jonathan's phone, put the flashlight on, and then put it between the net and the closing for the window, and now we have a little light in the tank. Made it a week.
Hey vlog, here's the surfer. He was sick 10 minutes ago, but now he's feeling great.
I'm feeling terrible.
Ready to go out and surf. Let's do it.
The original plan was to go in the water, but I'm not feeling really up to it. But then we have this crazy guy. The waves are pretty strong today. I don't know exactly what the temperature are, but I'm gonna film the waves so you can see. I hope you can hear this. How was your ride?
Great. A bit windy, but it's kind of cold here, but I'm kind of crazy. Kom igen då. I have my iPhone in my hand here, it's kind of sketchy. Hi vlog, it's super beautiful here in, I think we're close to Marstrand, but sunny, even though the forecast said rain. What's up?
Sure.
Hi guys, now we're in Marstrand with Magda, getting some ice cream and looking at the view.
Hey, welcome to RV Heaven. We have a cornfield, a bunch of these camper vans, and the sunset. How pretty! Woo! I'm gonna stay on land. I have snacks, beach chair, towel, change of clothes, cool sunglasses. Ready to film you. Woo! Let's do it!
Let's do it.
Hey! You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nu mår han.
We're about to cook some coffee here on the beach in Varberg, and we've been surfing, or half of us have been, and the other half will go out now after the coffee. Stay tuned.